What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me again in this video. So I have an opportunity that I wanted to share with you guys. For those of you who are looking for, a way to make some extra income from the comfort of your home, wherever you're connected to Wi-Fi. And the cool thing about it is it's instant 100% commissions. That's right. So you can get paid up to, $500 a day if you put in the work. As you guys can see here, I kind of wrote it down so you guys can see a visual representation of what I'm going to be talking about. So how would you like to make anything between $25 to $500 daily? Well, it's very possible, you guys, but also it's depending on your work ethic. Yeah, so don't expect to join this opportunity and the next day see, thousands of dollars. It's not gonna work like that. There is work involved. Number two, it's only a one-time fee, so you don't have to worry about those monthly fees that a lot of these opportunities, present. It's a one-time fee, no monthly fees. And like I said, you actually do work. So you guys can see here, you actually do have to put in the work, you guys. Now, the cool thing about this is it's not hard work. Why do I say that? Because it's something that you guys are already doing on a daily basis, which is be on social media, be on Facebook, be on Instagram. So what are you doing on there? You're scrolling through Facebook, liking pictures, sharing videos, commenting. So those are things that you're already doing. Why not do it and get paid for it? Now, this is a digital product that's helping either new people who are just getting into the work from home business, or people who already have a business and are working from home, how to get exposure, how to leverage the power of the internet. So that's what I'm teaching you. That's what we're doing here. And just to set up an example, you guys. So if you have one Facebook friend and they join you, because there is different levels, and they join you at $25, and you have 5 Facebook friends and they join you at $25, you're gonna be making $125 instantly, or $500 for 5 friends. So guys, this math is very easy. And join me real quick. I'm gonna show you right here on my computer. I actually have it open where I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you guys can see here, I'm gonna leave the link so you guys can check it out. But look, discover how you can fire your boss. Check it out.
Instant 100% commissions. And if you like that, you're gonna love this. No monthly fees, pays daily straight into your bank account. And yes, we got paid today.
Boom, very easy, you guys. Here's a brief explanation of what it is, how it works, and how you can get paid. And not only that, but we even have people, who are making money with this. As you guys can see here, and it's paid directly into your bank account. Easy steps to follow. You get started today, you guys. Copy and paste some of the ads and get paid. It's that simple. So with that being said, you guys, thanks for joining me in this video. I hope to see you inside, and let's get this money. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.